Many people believe that cracking your knuckles will lead to arthritis. But is that really true? The popping sound you hear isn't bones grinding. It's actually gas bubbles being released from the fluid in your joints. Multiple studies have found no direct link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. However, if you do it excessively, it might cause reduced grip strength over time or mild swelling. While it's not harmful, it can be an annoying habit for those around you. So, if you enjoy it, there's no real harm, but don't expect it to lead to arthritis. For medical consultation, call 281-271-3888 today.